Exercises on sinking the chi and the Tien model. So what we want to do is take a vital breath and then relax and condense the energy. That as you breathe in, open the balloon, fill your whole body's vital energy, then relax and sink that vital energy down into your core and pull it into your center. Condense that energy. Do this for 3 breaths. Then touch your partner's base through the fascia, feel the feet, Butsungen to open them up, and then stick to what you feel, and then use your core as a cannonball to shoot through, and the hands as a listening tool. And the pressure on your hands, you want to be moving it away from your partner so that the energy does most of the work. Use your hands to get the stick and use your belly to deliver the power. So this feeling of the stick, you can run the Jin through that, but we want to have more of the cannonball effect. And then start running the energy more as an empty force with less and less there. And just wave it gently and increase momentum. It's all about how much stick you have as to if the energy can hit them or not. If there's no stick, the energy will just pass through them. So do 3 breaths into your core and then release. 3 breaths in your core, release. And build energy there and shoot it like a cannon. If you need more than 3 breaths, take more time and then shoot. Once you have the stickiness and you find that feeling of, oh, I've got his center, then you can just start extending the energy and letting it out. Always being very aware of how much hand pressure you got and how much work is being done here, and transitioning from here to here. And really push the Tien forward and sink as you fire the energy, so you have a nice ground path for the energy to travel through. Okay, have a play.